Hello everyone and hi all the students of 4th standard. We are learning the third lesson of history, that is Maratha Sardar, the famous house of the Bhosle family is there. So first point we saw, that is the period of unrest. Second one point is there the brave Maratha Sardar. This is the second point of third lesson, that is the brave Maratha Sardar. So what is there? Maratha Sardars were very brave and tough. If you see that all the Maratha Sardar at that time, in those days, Maratha Sardars they were very brave. Also, they were very tough. They were also fearless and loyal toward their master. That all the Maratha Sardar were very brave, very tough, and they were very trusted, or they were very loyal toward their master. Means who was their leader, means empire, king or the emperor. They were very loyal. That they were ready to do anything whatever they got the instruction or order. At that time they were they never thought about their life. So like in this way, these Maratha Sardars, they were very we can say that as a loyal, and also they were fearless. Maratha soldiers with a spears in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. So those were the Maratha Sardar. What they were doing, that they were using the spears in hand, that and sword in their another hand. Spears and the swords with their hands. Along with that, they were rising their cavalries. They were using riding their cavalries or using their horses thus. And they had their own private armies. So those were the Maratha Sardars were at that time. They had their own armies, that they were using their own soldiers. They kept their own army. That at that time, what was the situation there? Some of the king or the ruler, they were giving them some of the piece of land to govern, to collect that amount of money, taxes, and in return of that, this Sardar had to serve for their ruler or for their kingdom. So this situation was there. So they had their own cavalry, they had their own horses and the weapon that. So what is there? They were using that. What is that? Spears and swords in the hand. Spear is also their small one, and the sword which is a long one in that. So like in this way, they were using, keeping themselves, and also along with that they were using the horses. So this situation was there. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment. And most of the Sardars, they were using their own cavalry, they were using their own armies there, keeping them. And if anyone Sultan, such type of Sardar, if he went toward the Sultan, if he went toward the ruler or the king, then that Sultan was giving them employment, was giving them work, and he was making to them as a Sardar in their court. Made him Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes concern a Jahagir upon him. And sometimes what they were doing, that they were giving some of the Jahagir upon him. For example, if you are the Sardar of anyone's kingdom, or maybe just suppose that you are the Sardar of Shivaji Maharaj or the Swaraj, or you are serving for Shivaji Maharaj. For example, Shivaji Maharaj was not doing that, but at the time Shivaji Maharaj he gave you for Udgir area to govern. You are the owner, king of this Udgir, that you are governing like a king of Udgir. This was situation, but Shivaji Maharaj's condition different. That Shivaji Maharaj never gave to anyone as a Jahagir to look after that regions. He gave them their salary in cash. Difference is there. So sometime after that he was concerning that area as a Jahagir. Sardar who receives such a Jahagir considered himself as a Raja. And if you got the Jahagir of any region or the area, then maybe you are living in that region as you are king of that region, because whole that area was under your control. So you are the, basically if you see, then you are the king of that region. In return of that, what you have to do? You have to serve for your Sultan, or you have to serve for your emperor. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Nizam Shah's court and Adil Shah's court. In their court, number of the Maratha Sardars were there, and all these Sardars were very brave. The more famous among them, there were the Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Among all the Maratha Sardar, some Sardars were very brave. So, who were that? Which Sardars were brave? Among that, Jadhav of Sindhkhed, famous Maratha Sardars family that. Jadhav of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar of Paltan, Nimbalkar family from the Paltan, Ghorpade of Mudhol, and Mores of Zawlis, More, and Bhosle of Vero. So these were the famous Maratha Sardar or the brave Maratha Sardar during the medieval period from the Maharashtra. Sindhkhed Jadhav were descendant of Yadavs of Devgiri. Sindhkhed Jadhav of Sindhkhed, they were the descendant. Their ancestors were of Yadav's dynasty of Devgiri. Yadavs means if you see that Jadhav of Sindhkhed, who were there? Their ancestors were Yadavs. Yadavs means they were belonging from the Lord Krishna's family there. This situation was there. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lokhojiraj Jadhav of Sindhkhed. And Shivaji Maharaj's mother, Jijabai, she was the daughter of Lokhojiraj Jadhav of Sindhkhed. So basically, if we see that Jijabai, she was belonging from the Lord Krishna's family. That her ancestors were the descendant of Yadavas. Means her ancestors were the belonging from the Yadav dynasty. Jadhav, they came from the Yadav period, Yadav dynasty. Yadav, during the time of the Lord Krishna, also that Yadavs, he was also born into the Yadav dynasty, means Yadav family there. So this situation is there. So Jijamata or Jijabai, she was belonging from the Jadhav of Sindhkhed family. This situation is there. Next one point, that is tradition of valor, we'll see tomorrow.